luckily here in South Florida, we didn't feel a lot of effects from Hermine, but of course thinking about our neighbors to the north as they still deal with Tropical Storm Hermine. The latest 5 a.m. update, keeping the winds you see here at 60 miles per hour, moving east northeast, expected to move off the coast of North Carolina and into the ocean, and then it strengthen a little bit before it heads throughout the day on Sunday. Now you'll notice it's expected to strengthen and then become a tropical depression later through Sunday. This is something that is really wreaking havoc for our neighbors to the north. We've got a tropical storm warning from North Carolina all the way up through portions of New York, and then tropical storm watches all the way up into Connecticut. This is expected to continue to move off to the north as we head into early next week as well. You can see it here over the past 12 hours, that characteristic counterclockwise spin across that center of low pressure. You can see it moving from South Carolina through North Carolina and up toward the Virginias. Lots of rain, storm surge, heavy winds with that. We really lucked out here in South Florida. That was that system we were watching for so long. Now, as far as this morning goes, not a whole lot going on. Possibly a sprinkle here or there in your windshield. You can see maybe picking up some very, very light sprinkles out there. But for the most part, a mostly dry morning. Let's take a look at your hour by hour. Temperatures in the upper 80s by 10 a.m. and lower 90s by lunchtime. I really do think through the lunch hour we're looking at mostly dry conditions, and it's not until the afternoon that we start to see scattered storms developing. Now, it's not going to be storming constantly, but you'll certainly need to keep an eye on the radar as we head into the later part of the day. Let's take a look at that on Vipercast. So as you can see here, mostly dry through about lunchtime. Heading into the afternoon, we start to see those storms bubbling up. Today, storms will be moving from the west-southwest to the east-northeast. Certainly more scattered storms as we head into the mid-afternoon and hanging around into the late afternoon and evening. So if you're headed to the beach today, the earlier part of the day will definitely be better. We'll have those scattered storms during the afternoon, and the same thing for boating. The earlier the better. Those storms move in from the west to the east. Today, rainfall chances about scattered, but they go down for Sunday and then back up for your Labor Day. So if you're trying to plan out your Labor Day weekend, it definitely looks like Sunday is going to be the best day. Lower 90s, hot and humid today, a little breezy at times, and then overnight tonight, upper 70s. We'll start out the evening with some rain still lingering around, and then that will become just isolated showers throughout the overnight. You can see here Sunday, definitely the best day. Lots of sunshine, low rain chances, scattered storms and rain on and off throughout Monday. Heading through the rest of the week, we have isolated to scattered rain and storm chances. Tori?
It is 5:20.